This is the second state in the last 8 months to try to ban credit scores from insurances. All right. So let's talk about that. So now Louisiana may ban credit scores in auto insurance. The lawmakers are considering a ban on those credit scores when they're talking about insurance pricing. So, what does that mean? That means that when you shop for insurance, people don't know this, but they run your credit to see if you're credit worthy. And then based on that score, that determines the rates that you will pay. Why is Louisiana fighting for this? Well, Louisiana, if recently we talked about the states with the lowest credit scores, Louisiana is unfortunately one of those states. And so that means that they're paying higher insurance rates. And people were thinking it was because of weather related purposes. Obviously, that plays a role, but they also run your credit. So people that have better credit end up getting better insurance rates versus people who don't have the best credit. They end up paying more or higher insurance rates, and you have to keep in mind that you have the weather factors as well too. So now you're paying extra. But these consumer advocates say that credit scores should not determine insurance premiums today. Now, let me know in the comments if you think that that's fair. We're going to talk about this and how this affects people, because the proposal would also stop insurers from using zip codes to set premium prices. They're going by what credit scores that people have in a specific area, a specific zip code. Let me know if you guys think that that's fair or not, because here's the thing. Supporters say that driving records should matter more. This means that you should focus more on my driving record than what's actually the credit scores themselves. Okay. Advocates say that safe driving should matter more than credit history or what area I live in right now. They are arguing that financial hardship should not increase insurance premiums for drivers today. The proposal aims to focus more on driving behavior than their personal finance history. This means that if you have a medical bill that came out of nowhere, or worse, something that popped up on your credit report that really wasn't you, now your credit score drops, you're shopping for insurance, and now you're paying a higher rate simply because your credit score is lower. All right. So they're trying to essentially fight this. And I'm letting you guys know this is going to make a huge change nationwide, and other states will follow. Again, Louisiana is a second state. Now, here's the issue that they're going to run into. Insurance companies oppose the proposed changes. They're saying that credit scores help predict future claims and overall insurance losses. They're pretty much saying that people that have lower credit scores tend to make more insurance claims. Now, let me know if that's true or not, because I don't think it is. People, their credit scores fluctuate for various reasons. We had a client recently where they maxed out their credit card because they were paying for a funeral. Their credit score dropped. So who's to say that that person is going to make more insurance claims, or who's to say that this person is going to have overall insurance losses because their credit score is lower? I don't think that that's fair. They argue removing these factors could increase premiums for many other drivers soon. Now, the debate centers on fairness versus the industry's current pricing methods today. Okay. So let me know your thoughts on this as you all are shopping for insurance. Do you all think that it's fair for companies? They've been, and by the way, insurance companies have been running credit for years. Okay. They've been doing this for years. But is it fair? Do you think that they should continue to run credit when you're not borrowing money? You're not borrowing money. So again, I don't think it's fair personally. So I'm rooting for the state of Louisiana to fight this, and we'll see how everything goes. But the proposal is going to reshape the insurance pricing, not just for the state of Louisiana, but other states are going to notice this as well. If this is approved, insurers would need to change how many Louisiana policies are priced, especially based on credit scores. Companies would no longer use credit scores or zip codes when setting rates there. And supporters believe that this could create a fairer insurance market for consumers, because again, you're focused on their driving history. Now, we talked about this some years ago, and this debate goes far beyond the state of Louisiana. Several states already limit how insurers use credit information during pricing today. Is it needed? I know companies want to do it, But you cannot say that a person is a bad person because they have a lower credit score. Like I gave you the example about the person that maxed out their credit card to pay for a funeral, or the person that had something pop up on their credit report and it really wasn't them. Okay. So supporters believe that more states could consider similar insurance reform proposals very soon. The outcome may influence future debates over fairness in insuring pricing nationwide.